If you're having issues with bugs, especially on your succulents, I want to recommend Captain Jack's DeadBug. I'm in Southern California, succulent wonderland, but we get ants, we get aphids, we get the ants farm the aphids on the succulents. So especially aloes are especially susceptible to ants. And I had one of my first aloes, beautiful Aloe van Berlinii, got infested with ants, started dying. I sprayed Captain Jack's DeadBug. I only did it twice. First I blasted off the ants with a hose, cleaned it up, dried it, and then I put this stuff on, and it worked. I mean, part of the aloe did die, but it's coming back to life. So anyway, the reason that's interesting is because it doesn't even say ants on here. It says kills bagworms, borers, beetles, caterpillars, moths, gypsy moth, loopers, leaf miners, spider mites, tent caterpillars, thrips, and more. It does not say ants, which is weird, because that's the most common pest, at least here in Southern California, for succulents. And it worked. So I would like to thank Captain Jack's DeadBug, and I would recommend their product wholeheartedly. Thank you.